There he is, there he is. Ooh, that's a gill. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it looks running in there. Going back there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I have a special bait for you.
Been catching grasshoppers?
Yeah.
All right. Oh man, okay. We're doing that. When that one went all the way to the... Nah, I can't reach it. Got one. Yep. But... Nice.
Yeah, get him in here. Get him.
Ooh. Got him. I got two. Ooh, something slammed it. Oh, something's, yeah, they're just biting at the tails. At the legs. Well, this guy messed it up. Yeah, he's got it in his mouth. He spit it out. Okay. Nope, this guy just stole it. This guy just stole my hard-earned grasshopper. At the... Yeah, a bunch. I have like 5.
Okay.
Oh, did you snatch one?
Yeah.
This guy's crazy. This one's gonna get a big one. Ooh, got a bigger one. Este sí te va.
Este le muerde a mí mucho.
This is
this is para el bath.
Yeah. Put it right under his wings. There's probably a much better way, but that's how we're doing it. That is a big fish magnet. Look at that. Yeah, I see one looking at it, but he's like, nah, this one's too big. Oh, something went at it right off. Come on. There we go, here we go. Oh no, I lost them. That's a bass, that's a bass. Oh, you got, oh, that's a pretty one. Yeah. Let's see if he gets bit again. There we go. That was like a short, chunky one. There he is, there he is. Ooh, that's a gill. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it looks running in there. That's a big one. Yeah. Oh man, what it's on red breast. Yeah, it's a red, I think it's a red breast sunfish. But look at that huge ear. I don't think it's a long ear though. Man, that's beautiful. Off of the grasshopper. Yeah, this thing, it ate the big grasshopper because. Woo! Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh, he's in the water. Cool. Awesome. First catch of the day for me. On the grasshopper. It worked. There's just a head left. I'm gonna try it. Oh, that works, that works. Oh yeah, eat it. Eat it again. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. I got him. Here, look at it. How did he not eat it? He had it in his mouth for like 5 minutes. Yep, he's got it again. Yeah, he's like swimming around with it. Got him. Yeah, I timed him. I was watching him swim around with it, and then he just spit it back out. This time I nailed him. Whew, all right, fish number 2, now on the grasshopper head. Whew. All right. This looks like a red breast cross, bluegill cross. Oh my God, again, same exact thing. Oh, this guy might need help. Yeah, it's like a gill hybrid of some sort. Whew, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yep, bite-sized grass. Look at this beautiful grasshopper. Okay, we're back at camp. This water's a little murkier. Let's see if we can just get a couple more with these grasshoppers. That's been fun today. Oh, right off the bat. Right off the bat bites. There he is. First, oh no, that one was beautiful. See if I can get him again. Míralo. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh. Here, oh, man. Last grasshopper. Man, I really wish I would have landed that one because I think it was a different species. But it's all good. We know they're in there. We know they're biting it. Whew. It's hot out here. Finally. Got him. All right. Oof. What? Okay, cool. Bluegill. Nice. Beautiful. So that is a different species than the last one. Nice. Just a little classic bluegill.